Good evening, everybody. It's Scott Gella from ShadowTrader, the ShadowTrader short video. Tonight, I want to take a look at Intel. We've got a gap and go on the way down for the past 8 days. Earnings is now due out on 4/25, and as you note from the Fibonacci, just broke the 78.6 level with a potential to drop further, yet take a look at the long-term trend line. We tagged that on Friday, and I do not believe with the pending earnings and the way this has taken a big drop that there is a lot more downside. So it's looking as though the major downdraft has happened and is maybe ending at this point. We've got a catalyst that makes me think that, and that's the company called ASML. Alpha Sierra Mike Lima. They are going to report earnings on the 17th of April, which is going to be, as expected, a lot better than their prior quarters. Now, Intel is the number one recipient of those ASML chip-making masks, and that should have a catalyst to the upside, in my opinion, on Intel. So, how do we trade this? All right, remember, we've got earnings coming up on the 25th of April for Intel. My take is that we sell a 32 put. We cap that off with a 31 long put to give us a $1 wide spread. So I'm going to risk $1 on this trade. And the basis of that is about an 11-cent credit. Well, that's not enough to get me a positive read-through on a positive earnings. So I'm going to do 4 contracts of the 32 short, 31 long put, and then along with that, go out to May the 17th, use most of those proceeds and buy one single 41 long call for around 41 bucks. If you add all of these up, a net credit goes to the account of 8 cents. So here's what the curve looks like, and let's go through it. If everything fails to have Intel not go above that 41 strike price by earnings and then the week or the 2 weeks after, well, we've got a bull put that's still on the credit side and we make 8 cents on the trade. Not a big deal. But here's the upside. Intel does not fall below that 32 strike. Therefore, we keep all of the credit from the bull put or the short put vertical. And Intel now makes a big move with that ASML report and its earnings report and moves back to a 41 strike, maybe 42, 43. And we now have upside gains that could double, triple, quadruple the credit that we receive. Let's go back to the chart. 41, where does that sit on the chart? That sits right here to 61.8. So it's very plausible that this 41 strike after earnings could come and bring us even further up into the 42 level, where the downtrend line from the recent highs back on January, back in March, and here back at the first part of April could be eclipsed. So if Intel stays above 32, we keep all the put credit. If it climbs after the earnings and goes above 41, we get an additional bonus of that long 41 call. So there you have it. Intel, earnings play, bull put, with a kicker of a long call.
Hi there, I'm Scott Gella from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons And if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.